I'm always trying to find ways to mask the taste of eggs, and today we have got a beautiful keto sausage frittata for you. Come on in. Hello and welcome to Cook with Mel. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you know when we've posted a new recipe. It'll really help my channel. It'll only take you a second. Pork is actually a great ingredient on the keto diet. It's high in fat and low in carbs. So today we are using pork sausages to make a beautiful and delicious breakfast. When shopping for your sausages, do try to shop organic because it's going to be the best for you. The nutritional information and ingredients list is in the description box. Let's get some pork on your fork now. First, we're going to decase our sausages. That is, remove the casing. I'm going to peel that off, like so. And then cut your sausage into bite-sized pieces, and we have 200 grams of those. Over a medium heat, you're going to add your sausages to your pan and fry them until browned. You can see here I have just browned it on all sides, and now we're going to remove this from the pan. Now we're going to set that aside. Now we're going to add a half to 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Add 30 grams of finely diced onion. We're going to saute that a little bit before we add our garlic. And here we're adding a tablespoon or 20 grams of garlic, and it is that much garlic because we are going to be flavoring up our entire dish with it. You can fry your sausage, onion and garlic in an oven-safe skillet because, of course, we're making a frittata that's going to go in the oven. Next, to a bowl, add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream or 60 grams. Then 60 grams of ricotta, and you can use the smooth or the lumpy one, the crumbly one. It's fine. A 1/4 cup or 60 grams. Now we're going to add 2 eggs lightly beaten, a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper, and of course your onion and garlic, and we're going to give that a great big stir. Also, it's at this point I'm just giving you the basics of the sausage frittata, but you can add things like paprika, or you could leave out the garlic if you don't like garlic at all. You know, everything but the bagel seasoning, whatever, you know, your favorite seasoning is that's approved on keto. Once your mixture is fully combined, add it to an oven-safe dish. Add your sausage pieces on top. This goes in the oven for 20 minutes. At this point, I am adding some very finely diced sun-dried tomatoes in between, just for a red fleck and a bit of flavor, because sun-dried tomatoes are so full of flavor. If you don't have sun-dried tomatoes, you can use like tomato paste, or even a little bit of crushed tomatoes if you want a bit of redness in your sauce. For the topping, I've added some cheddar cheese. It's about a 1/4 cup, and just sprinkled it all around. And this is fresh oregano, but you can use fresh herbs of your choice, or you could just not add it at all. And these are, again, a little bit of sun-dried tomatoes, just because I want to add a bit more color. And now all we're going to do is melt the cheese in the oven, and then it's ready. Now that your cheese is melted, your keto sausage frittata is ready. You can have your sausage frittata hot, served with a side of sour cream, or if you are doing a make-ahead breakfast, you can use one of these containers and it's good to go. It'll last a month in your freezer. And now I'm going to show you what mine looks like. Isn't that the most prettiest thing you've ever seen in your life? It is for me. And now this is just sour cream, and I'm just doing a little design to make, you know, I love pretty food. Here you go. I am done playing with my food, and here is the beautiful keto sausage frittata. Well, I'm sure you can tell from the flavors we use, the sun-dried tomato, the garlic, the seasonings, the thyme, fresh herbs, that this is going to be an absolutely delicious meal, and it won't taste like egg, more like sausage flavored. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you get to make it. Stay safe and be well.